If you've been wondering how to install Lucidchart, the first thing you need to know is that Lucidchart is a web-based application, so there usually isn't a traditional software install like you'd expect with a desktop program. Instead, you access it right inside your browser on a PC or Mac. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to get started, create your account, and optionally install the mobile app so you can work on diagrams anywhere. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Lucidchart website. Once the homepage loads, look for the sign up button or the start free button. This is the step that gets you into Lucidchart for the first time. Click that button and you'll be taken to the account creation screen. From here, you can sign up using your email address and password, or you can make the process even faster by linking an existing account. Lucidchart gives you the option to connect with Google, Microsoft, or Slack. If you already use one of those services, this can save time and make logging in easier later on. Just choose the option that works best for you and follow the prompts on screen. After you sign in, Lucidchart will take you into your dashboard. This is where all your documents, diagrams, and templates live. If you're brand new, don't worry. You don't need to start from scratch. You can click the plus new button to create a new document, or you can browse through the template library to find a starting point that fits your project. Templates are a great way to speed things up if you're making flowcharts, org charts, mind maps, or other visual diagrams. Because Lucidchart is browser-based, there's nothing else you need to download on your computer to use the main app. As long as you have a modern browser and internet access, you're ready to work. That's one of the biggest advantages of Lucidchart. You can use it on different devices without worrying about complicated installation files or setup steps. Now, if you want to use Lucidchart on your phone or tablet, there is an optional mobile app you can install. On Android, open the Google Play Store and search for Lucidchart. On iPhone or iPad, open the Apple App Store and search for Lucidchart there as well. Downloading the mobile app is a great idea if you want to view or edit diagrams while you're away from your computer. Once the app is installed, just sign in with the same account you created on the web. That way, all of your diagrams stay synced across devices. You can start a project on your laptop, review it on your phone, and keep everything connected in one place. So to recap, installing Lucidchart really means creating your account in the browser and, if you want, downloading the mobile app for extra convenience. There's no complicated desktop installation required, which makes getting started very simple and beginner-friendly. If this video helped you understand how to install Lucidchart, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.